everyone, my name is Stupid Ninja and this is
The Doom Slayer.
I built this guy in celebration of the newest Doom game, Doom Eternal. He only took about 3 to 4 days until he was fully completed. Then all that was left was the weapons, which I've been building on and off since then. I also started construction on a massive Lego Revenant, which I'll be making a video on sometime. Sorry about that, I almost made this video boring. Doom was a 1993 horror sci-fi first-person shooter. The first of its kind, it was fast-paced and exciting all the way through, but definitely not without horror elements sprinkled in here and there. The protagonist was unnamed and without a voice to help immerse the players into the experience. However, the name Doom Guy was quickly popularized by fans of the game. The subject of Doom Guy's name is a pretty interesting one, as he's been referred to by many, though I will not be getting into that here. Fast forward to 2016, and the Doom Guy has taken on a new title and a new look. The Doom Slayer, a name given to him by Hell itself, now sports a full bodysuit with less saturated colors and a heavier emphasis on body armor and technologically advanced components. While this look is amazing, I think the design from Doom Eternal really hits the nail on the head. It's a perfect mix of the fantastic 2016 design and the original 1993 design. The Doom Slayer now sports exposed biceps, brown accents, and a more saturated green. Among references to the old, we also get something new, in the form of his arm blade and shoulder cannon, two accessories we've never seen the Doom Slayer in possession of. Now that you know a little about Doom Guy and his new look, we can get into the build. I built this guy over the course of 3 or 4 days. The build was a little out of my general wheelhouse since I primarily build LEGO Transformers, so it was a very challenging build for me that required tons of trial and error. Once he was completely finished though, I couldn't be happier with it. Doom Guy features a fully posable skeleton over which the armor and details sit. You can see here just how well this build can move, though of course he has no ankle pivot due to stability and can only bend his knees up to 90 degrees. I tried my best to jam as much detail as I possibly could, though to be fair, some small details had to be sacrificed, either due to my parts limitations or due to the general design of the build. Beyond that, his other features include a fully extendable Doom Blade, the Doom Slayer's new weapon from Doom Eternal, a fully articulated shoulder-mounted cannon, and on top of that, he has a removable helmet. Granted, he looks extremely strange without it on, which is something I will have to look into improving in the future. Now onto his weapons. First off, I built the Doom Slayer his signature weapon, the Super Shotgun. It has the ability to crack open and be loaded with these tiny Lego shells as you saw in the beginning animation. However, it does not include a functioning meat hook. The second and last weapon I made, though definitely not the last I'll make, is the Plasma Rifle, a weapon so big it needs a stand. The magazine is fully removable, even featuring tiny plasma cells within, and this gun can fire, unlike the Super Shotgun. The weapon stand is a nice and very necessary addition to this collection. It can lower and raise itself, but is mostly good for simple standing poses, something I'll have to look into improving. For comparison, here is Doom Guy next to the official LEGO Voltron, here is Doom Guy next to a minifigure, and finally, here he is next to the McFarlane Doom Guy figure. In total, I'm extremely happy with this build, and I look forward to building more stuff like this in the future, such as the Revenant from Doom. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this build and if you want to build it yourself, make sure to leave a like. If I remember, I'll be sure to leave the Slayer's studio file in the description of my next Doom video. You can subscribe by clicking here, or watch another one of my videos by clicking here. Anyway, thanks for watching.